What do you want to be? A beast driven by its needs? Or a human driven by its kindness? Everything is ahead of you. True you. Back to your true self. What do you want? A beast?
What animal are you? For your food?
Wolf.
Jacob, you don't have to. You can go to the balls. Newbies have ball rights, so you do. Could you pat my head? Run! 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 Run!
Rufus!
Run!
No, Rufus! Hey, get up! Why would you do that? Huh? You've been doing so well. Go take a seat. I'll get you a plate. I thought it was my praising day. Sorry, Louise, not today. You need to have some real food, too. Then you get your seeds.
Then you get your seeds.
Your seeds, then. That's it. There you go. Good, Judith. See? Getting stronger. You need to bring your chair closer into the table, please. Are you finished?
Judith. Go, 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 go. Go. Quickly.
You just won 100 points. That will be the highlight of your week.
Why do they want us to use these things?
Technology reconnects us with our human side. Or some other bullshit.
You don't think any of this works?
Do you?
Jeremy. Get ready, it's you. It's you. Go, 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 go,
Nature is a construct of man.
Quicker, quicker.
Dr. Mann will tell you all about it. His plastic theories. We call him the zookeeper. Keep clear of him. Dr. Angeli's better.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up!
Still, she buys into his methods, so. She says it's an illness we can cure.
What is it, then?
God.
Come on.
Hey, come here.
Come on, Jeremy. There's no trick. Do you need me to help you out? Come on. Let's see you at it. That's it. And be yourself. This is who you are. There, yes. Go. Don't be shy in front of our new friend. Climb this tree. Come on. Should be easy for you. That's it. No. Like a squirrel. I'm like a boy. Don't you know how squirrels climb? You should, since you are one. No. Squirrels go vertically. They use their pads and their claws to go up. So come on, use those pads, those claws. Yes. Latch on, yes. Come on, Jeremy. Come on, Jeremy, this is what you are.